The general rule of thumb when it comes to motherboard BIOSes is if it's not broke, don't update. But that all goes out the window when your system's randomly crashing and restarting itself. Especially when you look into the logs of what exactly is going on through Event Viewer, and you find that the error is actually related back to the processor core, specifically the cache hierarchy, which for these Ryzen 5000 series CPUs is usually a sign of either an outdated BIOS or a faulty CPU. Because the BIOS update's not only easier, but also free, let's start with that. Especially when the motherboard's BIOS version is all the way back from 2022. Everything on this page after this one are all new versions that the system could be running, including some pretty key patches that might just fix this issue. So we just go ahead and download the latest version, extract the file, just shut the computer off, turn it back on, but this time enter the BIOS. We can then go to Tools and then the Instant Flash utility, click Yes, and find the BIOS file that we want to use, click Update. A few minutes later, the system's now ready to go ahead and be rebooted. And if you're letting the PC run overnight, we've gotten 0 restarts since the BIOS update, which looks to have resolved that cache hierarchy error that was typically triggering that restart process.